Hi guys, I've cleared a bit of space on the end of the table here so that I can modify the Amphibious vehicle, the Nikko bug. First thing I've done is turned the tyres back round. This is the front. When I bought it they were this way round. I thought they were the wrong way round, so I turned them all round so they all faced the other way. But in the water it looks like it needs them to be this way, because that actually acts like paddles and lifts it out of the water instead of digging in. And then the next modification I've done, you might notice we've got a little JST connector here. So instead of using that battery, which holds charge for about 2 minutes if I'm lucky, we're going to use a homemade 2S lithium-ion battery. That's 2 Poundland chargers, or whatever they call them, power banks. I think I have done a video on how I did this. So if I can remember, I'll put it in the video description. But that's it. That's 2 lithium-ion batteries. They're supposed to be 1200 milliamp hours. Whether they are or not, I'm not really worried. But that's cost me £2 to make a 2S lithium-ion battery. Oh, obviously I had to add the connector to it and the balance lead, so that I can plug it in and make sure that it's charged evenly. So we'll give it a try. Well, the battery fits in there. You probably can't even see it because of the way the sunlight's shining, but it's in, so we can put the cover on, which is going to need 2 hands. And then we can give it a little try.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.